now we're just waiting for our flight because we're going to Kasol and we have booked a flight to Delhi because our bus is from Delhi to Kasol, and yeah, that's the plan. Flight is like completely full, and I've never taken a flight to Delhi, so it's my first time. Landed in Delhi. Delhi were landing, we saw so many buildings, and I did not know that Delhi had this many buildings. So I was like, that was like a cultural shock. So we've just checked in into this really shady place. Just to keep our luggage because our bus leaves at like 9 p.m. which was originally supposed to leave at 6. That's why we booked the flight so early, and our flight was still late, but now we have like how many hours to kill? 6 hours to kill, and we've booked the room for a day use. This is what the room is like. This is me, this is the TV, this is our luggage, this is the bed, this is Riya, and that's the washroom, and that's it, that's the room. The plan for today is to just kill as many hours as we have and just get some nice food in our systems because we're hungry, and we all know how much we've heard about Delhi food. So that's the mission for today. We also might go see some markets because we have a lot of time on our hands and we don't want to stay in this hotel at all. We're just doing touristy stuff in the auto now. Discovered the prettiest social of all times, and us being social ambassadors, this was new to us.
Yeah, this is really pretty.
Tell me you're a Mumbai girl without telling me you're a Mumbai girl. This is how we're sitting because we're feeling cold.
Yeah.
So I decided to not carry a jacket.
I thought it would be warm.
But we wanted to go by auto to experience the local Delhi life. We're headed to Kasol. Literally rolling on the streets of Delhi with like our luggages, with our full-blown luggages in the middle of the street. We were full-fledgedly staying at one of these hotels here in Delhi. A few hours. We just wanted to keep our luggage there and freshen up and then go do touristy things. So that's why we were just like, we booked the room for a day use, as you guys know. But yeah, we're going to ISBT now, from where our bus is gonna pick us up and take us to.
That's a personal bus, yeah.
Yes, that's our
It's gonna
personal
pick
bus.
us up.
It's gonna pick us up
From
Delhi. We boarded the bus.
I look like.
wait. And I look like an auntie with my cardigan. I look like a 60 or 50-year-old rich South Delhi mother of two. We just boarded the bus and now we're headed to Kasol. We'll reach there by morning and we'll see you guys then. 15 degrees Celsius and we're freezing, and this one's looking like a watchman. Please. He's looking like a watchman and I'm looking like a 90-year-old granny. Good morning for the second time. We're just chilling in the car because I think the bus does not go ahead after this point, and we're just chilling in the back. Welcome to our crib, guys. This is the first thing you see when you enter. Wardrobe thingy here, and there's a washroom here, and then this is our view. Full view that we have. We have a balcony here. Then the view of the mountains. And then we have our beds here. We also got these cute hampers. And then this is like a little working space. And that's our luggage. And this is just like a chilling spot. And there's a TV. And yeah, that's the room. Quite cute and simple. We got ready, changed up, and now we're headed to this cafe called ATS, which is by the pool, by the riverside. This Ria wanted to walk, so we're walking for 30 minutes.
It's just a 2-kilometer walk.
But the roads are not ideal to walk here because it's a very narrow lane. But anyway,
Miss Liddy wanted to do a trek, So now
I wanted to take you on a trek to like some village, not like in the middle of the road. But yeah, we're twinning, and our noses are feeling the cold more than I think any other part of the body. Our view is worth it. Let me show you guys. 5 minutes into the walk, how are you feeling?
I feel like I'm going on a fucking trek.
And she was the one who wanted to walk.
Breathless. I did not know that there would be an incline. But it's fine. Now that we've come all the way, might as well finish it.
Cuties are following us and guiding us the way. This is the road to reach, and we just came from there. I don't know how we're gonna make it. Our drinks, our food, and our view. Our drinks, our matching drink. Yummy. This bridge is a nightmare because it's constantly moving, and I'm freezing, and my hands are shaking while taking a video. So we finally made it back to our room after a hike, which Miss Ria gave up on and decided to take the cab instead. But changed outfits, and now she's working, and we are going to this fun party that the property has. So that's that. Actually not done. It is so good. It's not. Freezing cold, and it's only I think 12 degrees, probably more, I don't know, but we're shopping right now. And I just got this for $250. Bombay girls in 9°C. We just got this, and this son got do that. effects. That's why I got it, because it has a kitty. We're waiting for momos. We've just ordered veg momos. First time having momos in Gasol, and we'll show you guys what it looks like and how we like it. Because Delhi momos disappointed us. Wasn't that good? So let's hope this time around it's good. Different kind of chutney, white sort of chutney. Let's do a taste test. It's not how you're supposed to eat, but I don't want my mouth to burn. It's nice. Better than the ones we had in Delhi. He's also fine shape. He's little bit. These are hand painted, and he's painting them, which is crazy. Look at this. They're all so pretty, and he has the cutest daughter. This is the best part of the weather. Tell me you're from Bombay without telling me you're from Bombay. You have so many layers, still you're like shivering and you're standing here. This is literally just look at us.
We're literally wearing like 6-7 layers at this point.
And I did not take a shower today because I just can't.
This is how I took a shower today.
And the geyser is only like, the geyser only works for like 15 minutes, and then you're just like left with cold water. So that reel is literally us. Riya was making fun of me because when I brought in the dish, my hands were shivering like this, and she's like, "Beek mang rahi hai kya?" And look at her now. Karma's a bitch.
Wow, it looks so fair.
We're the only people here who won like 5 years of clothes and we're still feeling cold. And I think everybody's just judging us really hard. It's fine.
Sing now.
Yeah.
Guys, I've asked Riya to show us her lovely
I have a
singing
really
skills.
good singing voice. This is just making me look like a stupid fool.
No, okay, sing the lyrics.
No, I feel like I'm being judged.
Gaga, go.
I am Lady Gaga.
Reminiscing the college days with rum and coke. उस्ताद जी पेश कीजिए।
सैयारा तू तो बदला नहीं है, मौसम भी तेरा गाया नहीं है.
Yes, this is how the song goes. We are on our honeymoon. We're sharing from one place. We're sharing the same bhatura, chole and bhatura. Town, Delhi Belly. Now we're headed out. We're going to Manikaran and then we're going for some lunch and then we come back and then we have a bus to catch in about 5 hours. So stepped out alone because I forgot my glasses and now I have to walk for another 5 minutes uphill. I don't miss workouts unintentionally because I did not know that you actually have to hike here everywhere, and this is a road, it's not even like a mountain, but I'm hiking and this is my sign to get in more cardio. I feel like my stamina has improved a little, but still need to work on the shit. मेरी ब्लॉग में बताओ।
इस वाली साइड पूरा ठंडा पानी है और वो वाला जो मंदिर वाला एरिया है वहाँ पे से गर्म पानी आता है और उसकी एक स्टोरी है, वो वहाँ जाके दिखाएंगे।
What is life, guys? Truly. Guys, so we are trying to see who can hold what's it called? It's not a handstand. Who can do a pull-up, not a pull-up also, but just who can hang out for like the longest. Hang on the longest. Sure. Okay, what? I don't think what? Things together. Fully reminds me of my school days when I used to just go on the swing, listen to, I had like a few songs downloaded on my iPod and I used to just listen to those songs and just be a thought daughter ever since I was like a kid. Just decided to chill here after our Khel-Kood session. We just decided to chill here for a bit in the park because it's beautiful. The view is really stunning and I want to soak in this before we're back to the city life. So, this is the